Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to recover your Gmail password in case you don't have the recovery email and the recovery forms. You lost your Gmail password, forgot your Gmail password, someone who has stolen your Gmail password, hacked, hijacked by someone's. Here is the exceptional case. This area has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to that, he is not in a position to rescue his ID. Why so? Because now he doesn't have recovery email and recovery phone so that he can recover. When he attempt to recover, it's essential that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. These accounts can be possible to rescue when answer is question. So on the second is that if your account is managed with any alternative email or of course family links, then we have to send an email to your parents or relatives to change your password. We don't have, so we cannot attempt by two options. So can I have the more option? Yes, this can be possible, but don't click on a try again. We'll have to directly come in the Play Store. On the Play Store, we will have to download especially Opera browser with AI or virtual private networks. Of course, virtual private networks that will assist you to navigate to the customized precise location of particulars in this device spontaneously. AI will assist you to the rescues. So of course we will purpose to especially these browsers to the rescue very easy. Just we will have to come the first and foremost these two changes is very crucial. So we will come in especially on the Google browser, scan any smartphones how many the browser is functioning, and then go for simple status to the changes this notification we will have to completely block, and then here we will back and we will tap on a permission guys. When we tap on the permission you will have the options location. Yes, make the precise location. So now the final we have done. Of course we will go for here don't allow anyway. Yes, thanks. After all, so if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer the function as intended. Find for time I'm doing it. Yes, don't worry. Here is unused apps that we will have to remove it. Yes, remove it means of course we will have to go for disable. Then we will have to back one more times. Yes, can I? Of course. Fine. So we come on here, and here is the coming this. Set as a default. We will have to tap and clear 4-5 times, and be sure that this shouldn't be opened. Yes, open supported links shouldn't be special, otherwise Google will catch it's easily, of course, that. Now what we will do guys, here we know that we have the second the browser, that is especially the Chrome. The Chrome is also the product of or parts of especially the Google browser. So here what we will do here, just simply we will go for remove the permission. We will come the notification, make it off guys, and a little bit slow this especially device is responding, it's old ones, and that's why. So don't worry guys, similar steps you can apply on a new phone also, and it will you can the rest of it fastly. Just we will go for don't allow animation. So when we tap on the don't allow animation though, we'll have to back and check it out and use the this one is off. So now the can I head to the open, especially this browser of course has been installed. So now when we tap on it, especially now and we will have to set up term and conditions. So term and condition we will go for directly next, and when we tap on especially next, then don't click on a set as the defaults of that, no problem at all, so not so required. Then we will go for especially customize of these things. So when we go for the conforms and the customizations, then this page will be now, so tabbing will be open. So here is especially just we will tap on this, so we are on here directly, and here is options to the silence files directly. Yes, we will go for tap on these ones, and can I write here this side of course now it has came. Just we will go for here to the rescue it. So can I have the more options to the rescue on this browser? Of course, and this can be the possible, I assure you 100%. Yes, we will come in especially the forgot the password. Yes, now we don't have this device has been lost to show now. Yes, here is asking the last password, I don't remember. So now what we will do here guys, here is the phone numbers, but don't make a stupid things that if your account has been hacked or stolen by someone or change the password everything, so then don't click on a change or call text or calls, because OTP would be generated on this particular number, and there very well so that we don't have. So Now here is that these accounts can be possible to the rescue when answer as many questions you can pick. Second is that use a device where we have the shine in before, and third is that if your account is managed with any alternative email or family links, then we have the sense and don't click on here try again. Here we will use more tips to the rescue of this account. So how can I? Of course we will take the assistance of Google. So how is this possible? They will go in the inside of the setting of your smartphones. Now when we go in the smartphone settings, then what will happen, guys? Here just we will go for especially the Google services and preference. Of course we will go for here especially the tap on a help options, and when we pick on a help options, then what will happen here? Here this page will be open here, that in a help search bar there we will have to write that hacked. Do a similar things, that hacked is email recovery. When we tap on this, then this page will be open, guys. Here just it's taking times, fine, no problem. Here just we will have to wait. Now see this cam on here, secure hacked and compromise Google accounts. Or now here we will come on this review your account activities. Here it is, tap on it. Here is a find out if your account has been hacked. One more clue, I'm telling you extra information. Review your accounts. By that also you can the review of what are the devices is locked with this particular Gmail ID. By that also you can the rescue of it. So here is a review your account activities. We will come on here is that account, yes, account find out if your account has been hacked. Just tap on it, guys, and when we tap on it, and then see here we will come in these changes to the rescue of these accounts. When we tap on the rescue of these accounts, we'll come on a special account recovery page. When we tap on it, what's going to happen, guys? Directly we come on the recovery page, and once again we will try to the rescue of it, guys. So here is this side. Once we will go for next and we will check it out. So what's going to happen here? See, now this side has been fully recovered. What's going to happen here, guys, without having the password? Of course, in this camera. Now don't click on a continue, otherwise you will be especially, yes, trap in its verify your options. So we will pick this one especially, and here is options to the create in the strong password and confirms in your strong password, and go for save it. After save it we will go for escape. So directly we would be on ID 2. Of course we will go in a security center, and the security center to firstly we will have to add a new recovery email, and upon of course after adding of we will be able to have a OTP on the recovery email, and upon of course we will remove the phone number that's added as a recovery, that was added as a recovery. Now we will remove and we will add a new phone number, so that this side would be permanently secured, because you will have the recovery two options. One is the email, second is your new phone number, so that nobody can be able to, especially the rescue of it, sorry, nobody able to can hack off this or any kinds of the activities without the permission of you. So this is all about, guys. How to like this tutorial? Don't forget leave the feedbacks below the comment box, because yes, comment box, because your feedback is very essential for me to make such as informative tutorial further on this channel or not. And one thing more also, if you are unable to, you are not in the positions to the rescue by yourself by a similar status, because we have created this kind of the environment especially on this setup, so that of course easily we can the rescue of the Gmail password, either it has been stolen, hacked, or yes, changed by someone else without having the permission from you. So in that conditions, of course we can rescue if you don't mind to disclose your ID in the public domain on this channel. So thank you very much indeed. On a live screen that we cannot go further inside of that, so guys, and this is all about, because maybe a data privacy concern of this viewer. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.